Tata Steel makes new discoveries every day and so broadens horizons for people. What made Jamsetji Tata different? The fact that he dreamt of India's first steel mill long before anyone else did, and the township round which it was built. Jamsetji Tata was a man who believed in sustainable development long before his time. Tata Steel's Ferroalloys and Minerals division owes its inspiration to a man whose vision and detailing set an example for India to follow. Tata Steel was the first to discover chrome ore, manganese ore and dolomite in India, and has pioneered the chrome alloy and manganese alloy businesses in India. In order to focus on these businesses, Tata Steel's Ferroalloys and Minerals division, commonly known as FAMD, was created as a strategic business unit of Tata Steel. FAMD is the market leader in chrome and manganese alloys in India. It is ranked among the top 6 chrome alloy producers in the world. It is also the market leader in dolomite. FAMD is a global player. It has local warehousing facilities in South Korea, China and in Europe, enabling just-in-time supply to these countries. FAMD is the only global player with operations in 2 continents. It is capable of serving customer needs through supply of charged chrome from the first offshore greenfield project of the Tata Group, TSKZN, a subsidiary of Tata Steels in Richards Bay, South Africa, and ferrochrome from India operations. Tata Steel's ferroalloy plants have a wide product range and are located at Bamnipal, Joda, Cuttack in Orissa, India, and at Richards Bay in South Africa. FAP Joda is the oldest continuously operating ferroalloy plant in India and is over 50 years old. The state-of-the-art plant is capable of producing high-carbon ferromanganese and high-carbon silico-manganese. The ferrochrome plant at Bamnipal produces high-quality ferrochrome from the chrome ore mined at Sukinda. FAMD has a state-of-the-art chrome ore beneficiation facility at Sukinda and is fully capable of meeting all specifications of metallurgical and refractory segments. Presently, most of the chrome concentrate produced from the plant is exported to the division's customer bases in Japan and China. The ferroalloy plants at Joda and Cuttack in India have semi-closed furnaces that are capable of using raw materials more flexibly. The ferroalloy plants at Joda and Cuttack in India and at Richards Bay in South Africa have semi-closed furnaces that are capable of using raw materials more flexibly. The ferroalloy plant at Bamnipal is the only ferroalloy plant in India having a fully closed furnace with facilities for pelletizing and sintering of chrome ore. The exit gas, rich in carbon monoxide, is used for preheating the furnace feed before charging, thus improving thermal efficiency. The division is a leader in R&D in ferroalloy technology in India. And this passion has led to the development of niche products like low phosphorus and low silicon alloys. FAMD holds patents for the production of ultra-low phosphorus ferrochrome and for hydrogen harvesting for energy efficiency. FAMD is the only Indian producer of hexavalent chrome-free chrome concentrate, made through a patented herbal treatment process that adds green credits to the organization's environmental initiatives. FAMD has spearheaded Tata Steel Group's foray into the global ferroalloys and minerals business. It has a vast customer base globally. FAMD is the sole supplier of low phosphorochrome to Hitachi, the world's foremost steel manufacturer. "90% of all razor blades made by Gillette use steel made at Hitachi with Tata Steel's ferrochrome. FAMD supplies Tata Steel's complete manganese alloy requirement for its plants at Jamshedpur, Tata Steel Thailand and Nat Steel Singapore. A significant portion of the requirement of Tata Steel's European operations are also being met, and efforts are on to meet a major portion of the complete requirement. FAMD also has a significant presence in the dolomite market in India and caters to a wide variety of customers. Integrated steel plants, sponge iron plants and cement plants located in eastern India. FAMD products know no geographical limits and are internationally acclaimed for their excellence. FAMD is the first Indian ferroalloy player to open offices at Hong Kong, Japan, Shanghai, Brisbane and Seoul. At FAMD, we march to the beat of a different drum, working to build the brave new world of tomorrow. And to equip this new world with infrastructure, we create those vital beings who are the source, people, who need only to be shown the path to growth. The Ferroalloys division is driven by people orientation, people leadership, process standardization, improvement and innovation. FAMD has been rated a leader in the area of HR focus by Gallup. Group activities are undertaken to strengthen team spirit through small group activities and Manthan Ab Shop Floor Se, with innovation and improvement as the focus. FAMD provides a safe workplace for its workers and has won National Safety Awards for safe operations. FAMD was the first unit in Tata Steel to be certified for OSAS 18001, first mine in Asia to be awarded ISO 9001 and ISO 14001. To further improve safety, FAMD has adopted the DuPont methodology. As a division of Tata Steel, FAMD subscribes to the company's vision of maintaining a sustainable community and society around its operational areas. All Tata Steel mines and ferroalloys plants are committed to the overall welfare of the society and conscious of the impact of their overall work on environment. Apart from undertaking various health and hygiene programs and contributing towards developing a healthy community, FAMD has also worked for the society in various other ways. In terms of empowerment of women through self-help groups, capacity building, youth education, empowerment of farmers, and creating model villages and helping the local administration create a holistic society. The force behind FAMD is its team of young, enthusiastic and capable professionals who have created history in productivity and innovation. To help the team perform to its potential, Tata Steel's FAMD has created an atmosphere of excellence, enriching lives silently, because the team is the backbone of FAMD. Where the environment is concerned, initiatives have been taken in the areas of dump rehabilitation to convert the mining sites into green belts, wastewater treatment, waste reuse, and various other measures to combat the greenhouse emissions. The human spirit always strives for a better way of doing things, seeking out the road not taken. At Tata Steel's FAMD, fasts will continue to be a way of life.